From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Miso soup, miso shiru weizenjur, is a traditional Japanese dish made from dashi broth and dissolved miso paste, often containing ingredients like tofu, seaweed, and green onions. It has been a staple of Japanese cuisine for centuries, with deep cultural and historical significance. Miso soup, a staple of Japanese cuisine, has a rich and ancient history that dates back thousands of years. Its origins can be traced to the introduction of fermented foods from China during the Yayoi period, 300 BCE, 300 CE, when soybeans and fermentation techniques began to spread across Japan. The earliest form of miso, known as hishio, was a salty paste made from fermented soybeans, grains, and salt, which eventually evolved into the miso we recognize today. During the Nara period, 710–794, Buddhist monks played a crucial role in refining miso production as they sought vegetarian protein sources for their temple diets. By the Heian period, 794–1185, miso had become a valuable food for the aristocracy and warriors due to its long shelf life and nutritional benefits. However, it was still primarily consumed as a paste or condiment rather than in soup form. The Kamakura period, 1185–1333, marked a turning point, as simmered dishes and soups became more common among samurai and commoners. It was during this time that miso soup, or miso shiru, began to take shape, combining miso paste with dashi, a broth made from kelp or bonito flakes, and simple ingredients like tofu, seaweed, and seasonal vegetables. The Muromachi period, 1336–1573, saw further refinement, with regional variations emerging based on local ingredients and fermentation methods. By the Edo period, 1603–1868, miso soup had become a daily staple for people of all social classes. Advances in miso production made it more accessible, and street vendors sold quick, nourishing bowls of miso soup to busy urban workers. The Meiji era, 1868–1912, brought industrialization, allowing mass production of miso and further solidifying its place in Japanese meals. Today, miso soup remains an essential part of Japanese cuisine, served with breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Its versatility allows for endless variations, from traditional recipes to modern adaptations. Whether enjoyed in a humble home kitchen or a high-end restaurant, miso soup continues to symbolize the deep cultural and culinary heritage of Japan.
Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.